Good afternoon. Today is March 18, 2024 Monday, and here are the 3 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandawi City. Here are the STL Sur 3 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Monday, March 18, 2024. Here are the STL Sur 3 p.m. draw result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for Monday, March 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Monday, March 18, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.